Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SPKPAL 2.1 Bluetooth computer speakers with subwoofer. These are gaming speakers for home theater, and it is a system of it. AC power dynamic RGB light for personal computers, televisions, compact disc players, movies, parties, etc. 42 watts of bold sound. 42 watts, wow, that is a peak. With 21 watts RMS power delivers a maximum loudness via 2 satellite speakers and a large subwoofer. We enjoy rich, clear, bold sound. The SPKPAL S702 features a newly designed standalone 4-inch subwoofer with 24 watts RMS, 42 watts peak power of 2.1 speaker system. This delivers crisp sound and thundering bass, and colorful RGB lights up room-filling sound. This match the color of our gear, our room, oh yeah, or our mood with this powerful and dynamic 2.1 sound system. Color selectable, light emitted diode drivers. We like the music with it. Flair. We choose multicolor, green, blue, red. Or, of course, we can keep it lights off. And easy Bluetooth pairing is possible too. Our music is more likely in our pocket these days. Now we can easily connect on the fly to our smartphone, computer, laptop, iPod, or we connect with a simple 3.5mm audio cable. It works with computers. It's running on any major operation system, Windows, Mac, Chromebooks as well. Smartphones, tablets, televisions, MP3 players, DVD Blu-ray players, and game consoles, such as the PlayStation 5, the Xbox 360, and its easily accessible controls, including the AC power volume, bass, auxiliary jack on the subwoofer of the 2.1 speaker system. Get convenient access to volume and playback control with the included wireless remote. We will get a subwoofer speaker, 2 satellite speakers, and a remote control to make an awesome party time. And of course, game time. Enhance our party, enhance the game with lights. Perfect for our gamer rooms, living rooms, home theater systems, or it matches to our computer and audio gear. Bluetooth makes it possible to connect it via a Bluetooth pairing mode easily. The S702 subwoofer speakers system is a powerful audio solution. This delivering great sound for the home and the office. It's ideal for music, movies, and games. Kick back and enjoy quality sound we never knew we were missing. The dual 2-in-1 high efficiency drivers per satellite delivers crisp, high sound, while the 5.25 inches subwoofer provides booming bass with a punch. The 2.1 PC speaker system features 4 different 5 RGB light modes during playing. We create a romantic and a relaxing party music, game, movie ambience as we like. We can turn it on and off the light by the LED switch. 5 dynamic RGB lights. These 2.1 RGB gaming speakers have colorful RGB with multiple light modes that enhance the music experience and game dynamics experience too. The fashionable design style of our computer speakers brings us a fantastic audio experience too. And multi-device compatibility. Wireless connection to all Bluetooth-enabled devices That makes it really multi-device compatibility. In addition, it is also support UDESC, SD cards, playback, and on top FM radio, which is built in. We have a full function remote. This remote function included power on, off, mute, volume adjustment, play and pause, previous song, next song, RGB light motor control, USB, SD, Bluetooth, aux input, FM radio mode, switch, cycle button, and sound effect switch. And this all in a small and nice remote. 15-watt subwoofer. The 3-inch carbon fiber unit. The speakers have excellent sound performance. Warm and thick medium frequency, deep and powerful low frequency, clear and bright high frequency sound characteristics. And we have the right side control panel on the subwoofer. We can control it. Power on or off, LED light on or off, master volume control, bass control, and the 3.5mm headphone jack used for aux audio control cable connection input, and the 2 USB output ports for connecting the satellite speakers. And with a top control panel on the subwoofer too. When we turn on the power, the blue indicator light flashes, and the default input mode is Bluetooth. We press the mode button to switch to the aux mode, and the indicator light stops flashing. When we insert a UDESC for SD cards, the speaker will automatically recognize and play. This is stylish and innovative design. With the output power of 21 watt, 50 watt plus 3 watt 2 times. The power input is AC 110 volt. The frequency response is from 30 Hz to 20 kHz. The impedance is 6 ohm, the subwoofer, and 4 ohm, the speakers. The input modes are Bluetooth, aux, FM radio, USB, and SD. And the subwoofer dimensions are 15 to 21 to 24 nanometers. The satellite speakers dimensions are 8 to 10 to 17.5 centimeters. The system requirements, it works with Windows, Mac, or Chrome-based computer via aux, USB-A, Bluetooth, and iOS or Android Bluetooth enabled devices. So you can see, this is a big compatibility system, and it makes awesome sound. The mode and the model is the S702. And we take the speakers out of the box. We insert the 2 satellite speakers into the subwoofer speakers by USB output port on the side. Then we insert the power plug into the AC 110 volts up to 240 volts wall socket. And we press the power button on the side. The speaker is ready to work. Then we select the input mode by pressing the mode button on the top panel, or we use the remote. The line-in mode, for example. We press the mode button to enter the line-in mode. We just plug the 3.5mm cable into our device's audio out headphone jack. It can work with laptops, desktop computers, tablets, and MP3 players with a 3.5mm audio output. Of course, there's the Bluetooth mode too. To switch there, we press the mode button to enter the Bluetooth mode. Then we enable the Bluetooth function and search the device on our smartphone or iPad, for example. And if there is the SPKPAL S702, we choose it to connect. And after successfully connected, the speaker is ready to play. Of course, there's more. USB and SD mode. We insert an USB or SD card into the corresponding card slot on the top panel. We press the mode button to select the USB drivers in SD mode. And the speaker can automatically recognize and play the songs. And there's more! There's the FM radio. We press the mode button to enter the FM radio mode. We long press the play and pause button to automatically search. Then the blue indicator flashes when searching. We can long press the play and pause button to stop automatic searching. When the search is completed, that means the blue indicator starts flashing, we short press the previous song button or the next song button to select the radio channel. You see, that's really awesome. And this is all in this one awesome device. It's easy to choose, easy to use, and it looks really cool on your desktop. This is the SPKPAL 2.1 Bluetooth computer speakers with subwoofer. These are gaming speakers for home theater systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.